In this episode of On Patrol, I address additional tech tools I use on the job: flashlights, body cam, inkless printer, page scanner, rechargeable USB flares, and more. Some of these items are essential, and others are optional. I just believe in being equipped for virtually anything that might occur on the job.
Security Syborg.
Let's see. Is there anything I have covered here? Here's one thing that's a really valuable asset. It's Epson Workforce ES-50. Hand scanner works really well for scanning daily driver pre-run checklists. We go down the checklist every day. Several things that we cover to be sure that they're all right to be able to use the patrol vehicle. So at the end of every month, I scan those and send them as a PDF to my supervisor. I also have an ink or a thermal printer, not a thermal inkjet printer. There's actually no ink in it. It's a thermal printer. Magic, as it were, is in the paper. It's really thin, cheap paper. Not particularly usable, but you know, it has some value. And so, also, this cool little wireless Type-C USB Dex Scout EX SEOT device for speaking and listening, phone calls. If I want to give the headset use a rest. And after trying different body cams, I finally came on to a real winner here. It's a Cam Pro. I got it on Amazon. It was like $120. I make a payment on it. I've got a magnetic, heavy-duty magnet, powerful magnet attachment thing set up to it so I can clip it to my shirt. Addendum to the gear report. I've got three high lumen, really high lumen flashlights. Two about 5,000 lumens and one 8 to 10,000. Keep the 8 to 10,000 one right up on the dash here. And this, you can get a tiny, very focused spotlight. It also has a strobe feature. 8,000 to 10,000 lumens of strobe will make somebody blind for several seconds. You won't be able to see anything. Afterward, you have to be careful with that. So here's an example of that. There's the rear 10,000. It has a reduced lumen count. I've got another one here. So it's got like 3 settings, including the strobe. And I've got 5,000 lumen one in my ACU medium-sized pack along with a bunch of other stuff like 3 USB rechargeable orange flares, which are really cool. And then I have another approximately 5,000 lumen flashlight behind that pack in the front passenger seat, where the pack is. I've got other cool stuff in here. I've got some safety cones that I bought. I've got caution tape that I bought. Let's see, what else? I think that pretty much covers it. I'll go ahead and get that, have a look at that video now. Signing out, Security Cyborg, over and out for now.